She really started skating at 10 weeks old. And we were just walking and some guy came shooting out on a skateboard and she got all excited. And she just put her paws on the back and started running with the board. She just jumped on herself. At first, she was just pushing it straight and jumping on. And now she has one paw on, and then three she runs with. When she's on the skateboard, she's pretty hyper-focused. She'll usually grab the board with her teeth and start running with it. Right now, she's 11 and a half years old. And when she skates, that's probably the only thing she really wants to do.
Henny, come here. What are you doing? You sleeping?
Everything else is just secondary.
Stay. Stay. Go!
She walks extremely slow, so that's mainly her exercise. She has a special harness so we can hold her. We usually grab her board and go to the skate parks. She gets very excited being with the skaters. She really, really loves the attention of people. She's kind of smiling.
Good job, Henny. Good job, lady.
I don't skate. Like, if she wants to go up down a ramp, I will take her up and let her come down the ramp.
Drop in.
I'm very overly protective of her. I make sure she's okay before me. When she does skate, she follows me. She just likes to be next to me. She just wants to be around. She's my baby. She likes to play. This is her little toys or she's got a little board under here. I love her more than most people in my life.
Which one do you want? Turkey?
I would do anything for her.